we're in lovely Turkmenistan. I'm here with Läle Bagnazarowanyň. Hello, darling.
Hello.
Läle is the national singer of Turkmenistan, so we are very, very lucky. And this is Guwanch.
Yeah.
And Guwanch is playing a dutara.
Yeah.
Dutara, because du means two strings. It's beautiful. And it really does kind of like sing you to sleep. Now tell me, what is this song about?
This song is a mother's song.
Mm-hmm.
The mother's song for sleep her baby. And this is the dreams. Here is the dreams, mother's dreams for her child, for futures.
She wishes a good life for her baby, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's sweet. Do you have babies?
Yeah.
How
I have
many?
two, one daughter and one son.
Do you sing this song to them?
Yeah.
Oh.
They are very big
Oh.
now.
Maybe when they were young.
Yeah.
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 Okay, cool. Shall we try it? Bash läle.
Allan, Allan, Allan çap akar sular bulanacak 60 başlı ağayım yarası sallanacak Ali balam Ali balam Ali balam Ali Ali balam Ali Allan Allan yaşıktır Ali parlan yaşıktır bir agası sapanda bir agası başıktır Ali balam Ali Ali balam Ali Allah'ın Allah'ın edin bana ziran edin bağın kızıl gülünü sana kurban edin Ali balam Ali Ali balam Ali
Sagbol.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.